Hi friends, now we are going to learn about what are the reminders when any cube number divided by 9. So why do you have such a question, sir? So to check a number is a cube number or not. What do you mean by cube? A number multiplied by itself. You take one cube, 1 into 1 into 1. When you divide by 9, 1 is the remainder. Similarly, 2 cube is 8, 8 is the remainder when you divide by 9. Similarly, 3 cube, okay, 3 cube is 27. When you divide by 9, the remainder is 0, correct? Like that, 4 cube, 64, when you divide by 9, 63, correct? Balance 1. 5 cube, 125, divided by 9. What is the remainder? So, instead of dividing by 9, I will tell you one shortcut technique. Just you add the digits 1 plus 2 plus 5. 8 is the remainder. You need not divide by 9. Just you can add the digit, you can find the remainder. 6 cube, 216. What is the remainder when you divide by 9? 0. Because 9. Right. Come to 7 cube. 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 343. What is your remainder when you divide by 9? How do you find 1? Either you can divide by 9 or you can add the digits. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, plus 3, 10. 10 means 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. Like that. What is the remainder for 8 cube? 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, 512. When you divide by 9, what is the remainder? So, this is the technique to check the number is cube number or not. So, what are the reminders? 0, 1, 8. No more reminders when you divide by 9 if it is perfect cube numbers. Okay. Clear? Now, I am going to give you a small test. You have to tell me which are not cube number. Will you please tell me? Which are not cube number? Which are not cube number? How to find which are not cube number? Which are not cube number? How to find? Now you have to, I will tell you one more technique. Instead of adding, you can cancel the 9. This 9 you can cancel, and 8 plus 1, 9 get cancelled. What is left out? 6 plus 2. By adding 6 plus 2, 8. 8 can be the remainder. Okay. So now question, which are not a cube number? So option A is not answer for that. You can go with option B. Option B is not a cube number. Why? Why you are telling option B is not a cube number? Yes? Yes, you are correct. You get that number is remainder? Yes. So, now I have given you how to find the remainder. There are some shortcut methods I wish to tell you. One is you can cancel these digits. Okay. You can cancel the digits. 8 plus 1, 9 you can cancel. Correct? This 8 plus 1, 9 cancel. This 9 also cancel. Left out is 8. So 8 can be a remainder when you divide by 9. But next one you need not to cancel like that. Because the number differ, everything is same, only these 1000 column only changes. So here 7, so 1 less than 8 is 7, here 1 less than 7 is 6. These two, B and C is not a cube number. Understand? Like that, can you come to this? Take from 4, give 2 here. Give 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, cancel. Remaining 2, give 1 here, 1 here. Everything is cancelled, so remainder is 0. By comparing the digit, here remainder 2, remainder 3. So this 2 is not a cube number. Do you understand? Come to next one. this one, fourth one. You come to fourth one. 4 plus 5 plus 4, 9 cancel. This 9 also cancel. 7 need 2. Give 2. Balance 5. Is 5 be a remainder when you divide by 9? No, sir. It is not a cube number. Now compare the digit. Only 10th place changes. If it is 5 and here this is less 2 become 3. So this also not a cube number. Understand? Then here 1 is coming. So like that, not a cube number, easily we can find out. But remaining 3 questions, which is a cube number they are asking. Which is not a cube number we can tell. But which is a cube number we can't say. Because here using the technique we can observe, if you divide by 9, if the remainder is 0, 1, 8. If it is there, if it is not 0, 1, 8, it is not a cube number. We can tell very clearly. What about cube number? You should know the technique of a perfect cube number. The next technique I am going to tell you. Are you ready? So what is your next technique? That is called unitary technique. So we will go with unitary technique. So now here so many numbers are there. By checking whether all the numbers are perfect cube number or not, you can check by cancelling the 9s. If you cancel the 9s, you might have know that. Remainder is what? If the remainder is not 0, 1 and 8, definitely that is not a cube number. We can say. Now, unit technique. What do you mean by unit digit? We have to observe. So now observe the unit digit of the cube number. So 1 cube, unit digit end with 1. So we say that itself. And 4 cube, end with 4. 6 cube, end with, do you understand? 9 cube, end with 9. So these are the numbers. 1, 4, 6, 5, 9. These cubes end with the same digit. That's why I said itself. Unit digit of the cube number end with itself. When you come to other numbers, not like that. 2 cube end with 8. Take difference from 10. What is 10 minus 2? 8. Yeah, that is the technique. When you take 8, how much differ from 10? 2. So 8 cube end with 2 and 2 cube end with 8. Is it easy for you? Yes, similarly, you take 2, 3 and 7. 3 cube end with 7. 7 cube end with 3. So this is the unit digit technique. Using this technique, we can tell the unit number. If it is perfect cube number, the unit digit we can spell out with the help of this technique. Shall we move on to the next one? Good.
If it's greater than 10, sir, then?
No, I am going to take 2-digit number only. Greater than 10 only you are going to take. For that only the unit digit we are going to. So all the perfect 6 cube, what we have seen here, all this number we are going to tell. So the answer should be only 2-digit. In the 2-digit, out of 2-digit, unit digit you can tell using this technique. How to tell the 10th digit? So 10th digit telling is somewhat challenging. Okay. So 10th digit, counting 10th digit, you have to know the nearest cube is what. So you have to memorize all the cube numbers. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So you have to memorize all the cube numbers. If you know the cube numbers, it is easy to find out cube root for the entire problems. Are you ready to find it? Okay, good. Now let me take some problems and try. Okay. So how to find the cube root of that numbers? So if you want to find the cube root of the number, what is your first duty? First duty you have to divide into 3 digits. If you want to find square root, you have to take 2 digits. Split the numbers into pair of digit. Here triplet of the digit. So 91 is the first part and 525 is the second part. Like that you have to split the digit. 3 digit you have to split. Only if you split into 3 digit, you can do the problem. Now take some problems in this 1. We'll try to find out. Okay. So I'm going to do this problem. Okay. What is the number you have seen there?
175
Yes.
616.
Let's take this problem and bring to your notice how to do this problem. How to find cube root. Okay, for this. So as per the rules I said, you have to split the numbers into 3 digit from right side. So 91 is the first part. You split here, 97 is the first part. 3 digit and 3 digit like that. So here 166, here 175. So if a number end with 5, answer also end with 5. Because we know that unit digit 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 end with same digit. So here 5 end with 5, end with 6, here end with 6, end with 5. Okay, what is the first part? First part you have to think about nearest number. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, and 6 cube, 216, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. This 91 is near to what? 1, 8, 27, 64. 64. So 45 is the answer, cube root of this number. 97 again, 97. 97 is 64, under 64 only. So you can take 46. 166. 166 is close to 125. So 55 and this is 56. Understand? The cube root we can spell fast. So first part you have to tell nearest cube number. Second part end digit, unit digit. Shall we go with problems with a chart? We'll take some problem here. Are you ready now? Yes. Can you give answer now? Yeah, will you please try and tell answer for first one? 2,26,000. What is your answer, sir? 226. Yeah, you are correct. 6. What is your answer? Excellent, excellent. 61 is the answer. Because 226 is close to 216, which is 6 cube. Unit digit is 1, so here also 1. Here, next one. 238, that is 60. End with 8 means you have to take differ from 10. Because 2, 3, 7, 8. End with it's a differ from 10. So here end with 8 means answer should be 2. Next one. Yeah, 60. Yes, 63 is correct answer. Because 7 is differ from 10, 3. Can you give answer here? 3, 5. Yeah, because 343. That is the cube of 7. 71. Excellent. Correct answer. This one? Yes, 72. This one? Excellent. So have you enjoyed this technique? Shall we go for some quiz program? Yeah, I am going to give some quiz program for you. What is your answer here? First part is 1. Second part also 1. Answer is 11. Next one? 110. No, 5 is 125. No, 50 should not come. It is less than 5 cube, which is 4. 4 ending 2 means 8. So what is your answer? Yes, 48. Next one. 9. 970 is 9. 9 cube is 729. Ending 9 is 9. So 99 is the answer. Next one. 6 only. 67. You are correct. 67 is correct. Next one. 72. 72 is correct answer. Now last one. 75. Excellent. 75 is the answer. Actually, the wrongly I put here. No problem. Come to that. 30 seconds. Come on, give answer. Yes, sir. 53. Good answer. Good, good. 30 seconds. Come on, next one.
48.
Correct, sir. Good. Enjoyed. Next one. 68. Excellent. 72 correct answer. Yes, 81. 64 correct answer. 9. 49. 50. 125. Above 125, 185. So 57 is correct answer. Yes, 73 correct. No 80. No 80. It is 74. Because 405 is less than 512. We can't take 80. Thank you. Have you enjoyed this class?